How do you design effective assessments? Once you compile the responses from the first set of interviews, select the candidates you feel are best qualified for the next step in the process. The next step is obviously a one-on-one interview with yourself, with the HR manager, and with any other person or manager that would actually be involved in the recruiting process of that person. Reviewing a resume or talking to the applicant over the phone are not sufficient to help you make a decision on who to hire. You have to know that once you shortlist the potential candidates, that would be maybe about 2 or 3 or 5, okay, then you have to have a proper assessment tool to analyze the certain core behavioral traits and cognitive reasoning traits of the applicants. So those actually, you can get them online, or maybe your HR will be able to do them, but it is also important to conduct one-on-one interviews to be able to analyze those traits. So here, that assessment would allow you to identify candidates who are open-minded, transparent, adaptable, flexible, who is a team player, anxious, insecure, and so on and so forth. So the ideal profile that we have spoken about before and that you have created for each position will help you determine which behavioral traits are important for that position. So again, analytical skills, outspoken, communication skills, initiative skills, etc. Those are behavioral traits, and those have nothing to do with the job itself. It has to do with how the person is going to perform that job. So for instance, you would expect a successful salesperson to be extroverted and social. However, someone filling a clerical position might be more introverted and structured. So as I was saying, those kinds of tests, you can either create them with the help of your HR, or you can purchase them from relevant providers. And providing the assessment online or on site, so you can do that assessment online, and then even after doing that, you can shortlist the applicants and then go ahead and do the interview, or you can do them on site. Like for instance, I think there are a few companies that do this, like Procter & Gamble and others. So they would ask the potential candidates to come and do these assessments on site.